How to enable dark mode on Redmi Note 7. Super fast and easy. Method 1. From your home screen, just swipe down twice from the top to open the full quick settings panel. Now look for the dark mode icon. It's usually a moon or a dark circle. Tap it and bam! Your phone is now in dark mode instantly. Method 2. Want to customize it a bit more? Go to settings, then tap display. Tap on the dark mode here and you will see an option to schedule it, like turning it on at night and off in the morning. Just toggle the schedule and set your preferred time. And that's it. Your Redmi Note 7 is now dark, cool and battery friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.